welcome back to my channel. My name is Josephine and this is my beauty channel. I do all kind of beauty videos and today we're going to unbox the Goodiebox of August. I haven't seen any sneak peeks or anything, so I have no idea what's inside of this box. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really recommend or suggest you to do that. And if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click on the bell and turn the notifications on. With that said, let's start this unboxing. Goodiebox is a beauty subscription. You receive around 5 products every month. They have different kinds of designs on the boxes and themes, just like any beauty box. It's a Danish brand and they have expanded to a bunch of countries in Europe. I think they will expand more in the future. So we have a greenish box, and here it says Goodiebox. It smells a lot. That's how it looks like. You have a little note. The I'm feeling myself box. I won't be sorry for doing what makes me feel good. Okay. So we just open that up and then we take one product at a time, talk about it, blah blah blah, and then in the end we will go onto their website and check the descriptions of the products. So the first product is a hemp sheet mask from Mask Me Up. We received a lot of masks in previous boxes from this brand. Regenerating and nourishing facial sheet mask with cannabis sativa. Can I even say this? I don't know. So it has some weird ingredients. Organic and vegan sheet mask. I've said it before and I will say it again. I'm not really into masks, but I accept the fact that we receive them and I will of course try it. Next product. Oh, what is this? Cute bag. Oh, I think they did some kind of sneak peek pictures of this. You could just see a very small, part of it. Is this some kind of... I don't know what you do with this. Oh, that's cold. Moshi Moshi Mind. We received other products from them before. I think we received the towel or something. I can't really remember. It looks very fancy. Oh, that feels nice. What are you supposed to do with this? We have some kind of description in here. That's very cute. Mind Roller. Double-sided jade roller. Moshi Moshi Mind. Benefits. Tightens and tones facial muscles. Helps refine pores, soften and minimize fine lines and wrinkles, reduces puffiness and dark circles around the eyes, stimulates lymphatic flow to improve elimination of toxins and cellular waste. Clean the mind roller with warm soapy water, lay flat to air dry. Use your mind roller every day for 5 to 10 minutes for the best results. Use it on clean skin with or without serum or moisturizer. Use outward and upward strokes along your skin. Use only gentle pressure. Use the small roller in eye and brow area. End your routine with soothing upward roll from your third eye. Is that here? Third eye? That sounds a bit disgusting. Yeah, the point between the eyebrow to the hairline. Ideal for soothing headaches. For a cool sensation, store it in the refrigerator. Adult use only. It sounds very advanced, but I'm up for it. Never tried one of these before, and I could imagine that these are a bit expensive, but I don't know. We put it back in the bag and we'll read about it later. Prices and those interesting things. Human plus kind. Skincare with consistence. Body souffle. Cream souffle pour le crops. Vegan and cruelty free. Natural. Blah blah blah. 200 milliliters. So what is this? Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, human plus kindness 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Directions for use. Apply as needed to soothe and moisturize skin. So I guess it's just a body lotion. Big size. I like the packaging. It smells good. I don't know what it smells, but it smells good. We always receive very, very big sizes. I love that. We move on. Oh, also a good size. Evoluderm Gommage Peds Lisant. All of these weird names. Why? Exfoliate and adocete. Smoothing foot scrub. Exfoliates and softens shea butter volcanic rock particles. Dry and damaged feet. Made in France. Yeah, that explains a lot. Apply on dry or damp feet, insisting on the roughest areas of skin, then rinse. 125 milliliters, so that's good. And I actually just started to take care of my feet a lot more than I have done previously. So, okay. Okay, next product is some kind of candy. True gum. Mint and free from plastic. Vegan gum. Sugar-free and no aspartame. Okay, let's try one. They look weird. It tastes very good. A bit hard, but maybe that's because the box have been in my mailbox, so I don't know. I can't talk with gum in my mouth, so let's take it out. Tastes good. That's a weird review, but okay. And the last product is Ritual of Ayurveda, the ancient art of living wisely. Naturing shower oil, Indian rose and sweet almond oil, 75 milliliters. So it's just a shower oil, I think. Oh, it smells so good. I love that. Bit small size, but you still get an okay amount, so I'm not mad. I haven't tried this, so that's nice. And I actually think we received more than 5 products. Yeah, we received 6 products. I guess the gums were something extra. Very, very nice products, and that makes me a bit sad because I was going to talk about this maybe in another video, but I think I will say it now. I don't know how to talk about this topic without sounding childish, but Goodiebox is a brand I love, and I've promote them every month. I unbox their boxes and I receive most of my views on those videos. I've done a lot of unboxings, and I've unboxed their advent calendar, limited edition boxes, and the monthly boxes. Sometimes I feel like maybe I shouldn't put my money on boxes because I buy a lot of boxes. But the reason why is because you appreciate it, and I have a channel and I feel like I have to invest in those boxes, and of course I also find it very fun. But it will come to a time where I have to decide to not buy some of the boxes I buy, and I definitely didn't think it would be Goodiebox. But anyhow, a while back they had an affiliate program. Every member received a link. So if you shared that link and someone started to subscribe to this box through your link, you receive goodie points, and they received a discount code or a % off their first box. So win-win for everyone. It was a great opportunity for me to receive those points, so I could buy boxes with the points and continue these unboxings. When the corona situation started and affected people and brands somehow they decided to remove that program, or to stop the program. And I'm like, okay, how am I going to buy all of their boxes, even the limited edition boxes and calendars, everything, without this program? And also I've uploaded a lot of pictures on my Goodieboxes on my Instagram, and Goodiebox have over and over again asked if they can share my picture and use them. Of course, I've let them do that, and it just feel like I've been a lot of use for them, and they've used my pictures. I give them free commercials. If you search on Goodiebox unboxings, I'm on the first page with a lot of unboxings, because there are not a lot of people unboxing their Goodieboxes, so yeah. And when I had my link, there were a lot of people using that link, so they received a lot of customers because of my videos. So not long ago, I actually emailed them and asked if we could have some kind of collaboration, but not really a collaboration. I just asked if I could get my own link where I still can receive goodie points, not money or anything, just goodie points. And also I wanted a discount code for you, so you could still receive 50% off your first box, so you can kind of try out the box and then decide if you want to continue your subscription. I think that's a very important thing for a customer. You don't want to pay full price before you know if you like it or not. So I just asked, can I get a link, and can I get goodie points for members or subscribers who use the link, and can they get a % off? And they actually very kindly, but they still said no. We have a lot of people who want to collaborate with us right now, so we can't do that. And I think that's a lot of bullshit, because I mean, seriously, it's just a link, and you've used my photos for free, and actually you also share my photos, or pretty much saved photos, and upload without even credit me. Of course you did that. When you asked the time after that, I said yes, you can share it, but you have to credit me. And they started to credit me, but still, I think they've used me, and I give them a lot of publicity by doing these unboxings over and over again every month. And I do it because it's appreciated and I like the boxes. And I can, with my whole heart say that I like the boxes. You probably know, if you're a subscriber already, that I've unboxed some Glossyboxes as well, and I've been very honest with my opinion about them, because I don't really like them. It depends from month to month, but very often I dislike the Glossyboxes, and I can be honest with that. Goodiebox I love the boxes, I love the products, and I can share those opinions because they're true. I also need to share this anger I have right now. I don't know, I just feel like they've used me, so I've considered to stop unbox these boxes. Maybe this is the last one. I haven't really decided yet. I want your opinion about it, because I feel used. I just feel like it's not very difficult for them to give me a link. I mean, come on, that's ridiculous. And yeah, I'm just very, very irritated, and that's the situation right now. I don't know if it will change or anything, but right now I feel like I have to, set my foot down, because this isn't okay. I feel very, very used, and of course, if you want me to continue with this, I will, even though I'm very angry at them. But if it's not really a big deal for you, I'll stop, and I will also end my subscription. That's up to you. But yeah, with all of that said, let's read the description on their website. First of all, we have the Mind Roller, double-sided jade roller. It's a full size, and it retails for $56. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. It pretty much says the same that I read before. Then we have the hemp sheet mask. It retails for $6, $5-6. It's organic and vegan sheet mask. It has some serum and it contains natural moisturizing and regenerating ingredients from hemp seed. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before you remove it. Okay, it's a full size. Then we have the smoothing foot scrub, also a full size. It retails for $8. We talked about it before, nothing new here. And this body lotion, body souffle, full size. It retails for $18. You can use it on sensitive and dry skin, and it's vegan. Rituals, the ritual of Ayurveda's shower oil. This is 75 milliliters. It's not full size. The full size is 200 milliliters and retails for $10. Not really expensive. Yeah, nothing special about that either. They didn't actually write anything about the gum, so as I said, it's probably something extra, and I mean, what can they say about it? It's just gum. So that's all of the products. I think that's everything for today. Don't forget to comment what you think about this situation I'm in with the Goodiebox. I really would appreciate your opinion, so yeah, that would help me a lot. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell if you want notifications every time I upload a new video. And I see you in the next video. Bye!